There's just something about Bora Bora Island that makes it so irresistible. Maybe it's the collection of over 100 islands, each surrounded by picturesque and inviting clear blue water. Or could it be the white sand beaches and lush green mountains that make you feel like you're in a postcard? Okay, we agree with you that the natural beauty of Bora Bora is enough to make anyone want to book a ticket. Still, there's much more to this island than meets the eye. From the friendly locals to the delicious food, there are countless reasons to love Bora Bora. Whether you're looking for a relaxing vacation or an adventure-filled getaway, Bora Bora has something for everyone. What are you waiting for? Hop on and let's explore the Bora Bora Island, the island of romance. How Bora Bora keeps the spark alive. Yeah, it is magical, like a fairy tale. It's simple. The island of romance is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world and a plethora of activities to keep couples happy and busy. If you're looking for a romantic getaway that will make your partner swoon, look no further than Bora Bora. And if you want to spend lazy days alone lounging in your private paradise, turn to the most stunning overwater bungalows. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches and azure waters. But what keeps it sparking alive? Is it the magical setting or the secluded bungalows? Still, we don't know it. Or is that mystery keeping it alive? Bask in the sun on the beautiful beaches. Try not to get a sunburn, but even if you get one, it's worth a sun bath. Tatira Beach is a beautiful beach home to a long stretch of white sand and crystal clear water. It is one of the most popular beaches in the world and is well worth a visit. A great beach close to town where you can go swimming and have a memorable experience. There's no question that dinner on the beach is a great way to enjoy an evening with friends. Whether on your honeymoon in Bora Bora or celebrating an anniversary party, a beach dinner is a must. There are some restaurants with outdoor seating that you can choose from, or you could take a dinner cruise. And a tip for honeymoon couples. In Bora Bora, spending a day at the beach is one of the most romantic things. Still, don't agree with us, and your partner is more adventurous than you thought. We got your back. Explore, explore, and explore. Suppose you're looking for a unique way to enjoy Bora Bora's underwater beauty. In that case, you can take an aqua safari with a diving helmet. These tours allow you to see the island's aquatic treasures up close and personal. This is definitely one of the most fun things to do in Bora Bora. If you're unsure what to do while in Bora Bora, consider snorkeling with sharks. Staying in Bora Bora, it is a must to experience the clear waters and exciting wildlife that can be found snorkeling. Talk to your resort to see what is included in your stay. Some are near snorkeling areas and provide kayaks as complimentary. Snorkel and explore the fantastic underwater world. Comment down here if you get to see a dolphin as they play in the water quite often. Learning to sup is also definitely a great option. If you're new to supping, be sure to start by kneeling on the board. Suppose you and your partner love adrenaline rushes and being in nature. In that case, you might want to consider hiking the beautiful trails at Bora Bora. You can witness amazing views of a lagoon. Don't forget to hire a guide while climbing Mount Otemanu or Papeete. A complete acquaintance with Bora Bora is impossible without an experienced guide. You'll be happy you did it. And don't forget to thank us later by giving us a thumbs up. And remember to plug in your hiking shoes. Alright, You want something simple. Hire a bike and beat the road. Take a pedal-powered trip through charming fishing villages. Visit ancient Polynesian temples and enjoy the stunning scenery at various lookout points. The clear blue skies are a photographer's paradise. That's cool. And if you are a foodie, make sure you add taste poisson cru. Actually, this is a Tahitian dish that is popular in Bora Bora and is made of raw fish that is marinated in fresh coconut milk and lime. This dish is unique in its flavors and will take you on a voyage to Shangri-La. There are several exciting helicopter ride options available. The aerial view of turquoise waters and the mounts will make you feel like you're in another world. And you can catch your breath in a jet ski through the beautiful waters of the lagoon. The friendly locals will make you feel right at home. If you're looking for a change of pace, consider spending a few days in the small village of Papeete on the island of Bora Bora. Here you can see the local life in action and experience the island's beauty firsthand. Many people spend their days grocery shopping and dropping their kids off at school, and their evenings are spent dining in food trucks in the village square. You will definitely love this part of Bora Bora too. Seize a charge on a 4x4 adventure. If you want to see the area in a way that's convenient and accessible, you might want to take a four-wheel drive tour. Several tour operators offer tours of the island and its surrounding areas. Most of these operators provide several stops in different villages and lookout points to take in amazing views. The tour offers a brief glimpse of the remaining military bunkers and cannons from the U.S. military installation built during World War II. A good photo spot. Make sure to enjoy some delicious cocktails and Hinano lager while in town. The beer has been brewed for over 55 years, and if you are under 21, forget that we said this. Plan your next visit to Bora Bora Island. Air Tahiti Nui is currently offering direct flights from Los Angeles to Papeete, also adding direct flights from Seattle to Papeete. Try booking your flights between November and April to make the most of your stay in Bora Bora. On Tahiti, large properties are within minutes of the airport, facilitating smooth arrivals and safe landings. Packing already? We bet you are. There's more to Bora Bora Island than just its physical beauty. A certain serenity and peace come with being on the island. Maybe it's the sound of the waves crashing against the shore. Maybe it's the sound of the wind rustling through the palm trees. Or maybe it's the knowledge that you're surrounded by some of the most beautiful scenery in the world. Whatever the reason, there's no doubt that Bora Bora Island is a special place, and it's a place that we love coming back to again and again. So keep this place on your bucket list and subscribe to us to add more to your bucket list. Adios. See you at Bora Bora Island.